I work for the sign and paint shop. We keep the roads striped and the signs posted. We are Kern County strong.
I'm a part of your community, keeping Kern beautiful. Please stay safe.
I keep the landfills and transfer stations open for business.
I work for the roads sign and paint shop. Make sure roads are safe for our community. Stay safe.
We are here working for you. We are Public Works.
I fix the machinery to help the workers move along.
I help residents make their essential trips. We are Kern Transit and we are Kern Strong.
Ayudamos con el mantenimiento de los caminos del condado. Somos servicios públicos.
I dispose of your trash and divert your recyclables.
Thank you for your support, Kern County. We are here to help serve you. We are Kern County Public Works. Please stay safe. Thank you.